Welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to talk about these turn signals that I just installed on my Tesla Model 3, and I will tell you exactly why I did it. As you can see, they look pretty good. All right, check out this side. These are aftermarkets. I will have a link for them in the description box below. So these are the originals. They are brand new. I bought these online as well, installed them, got the car painted, and they do not work at all. What my issue was originally with this Tesla is that the turn signals inside of the headlights stopped working. Like these right here by the camera, they work. The ones in the rear work just fine, but the ones in the front do not work. As you guys know from previous videos, this Tesla was totaled and I pretty much rebuilt it. Headlights are also brand new, fog lights brand new, everything on the front end was brand new. So in order to pass the inspection in my state, in order to put plates on it, I had to have working turn signals. But the turn signals inside of these headlights, they did not work. None of them. Neither did the fog light. I do not know what the issue was. So I called up Tesla and they told me that I would have to bring the car in. It was going to be $205 to diagnose, and then it was going to be pretty much around $600–700 to hopefully find the issue. Since the car was wrecked, I was like, if I take it in, it's probably going to cost me at least $1,000. So I tried to find ways around it. I hooked up different headlights, did not work either. So it was something electrical, maybe something had to be reset after the wreck. So I looked online, found these that can be turned into turn signals. So the installation is super easy. No wire cutting. It is simply plug and play. So let me tell you how to install these. So you pretty much plug them in here. They come with these yellow wire. So this yellow wire plugs into the new light and then goes all the way to this camera right here. Let me see. Yeah, it's closed now. But the best part is you simply unplug this camera in, unplug it, plug the wire in, and that is it. And then plug it into the headlight on the bottom. This one, not this one. So the turn signal. And then you do the exact same thing on the other end. Plug those in, plug it into the camera, and then you will get this computer piece here. So you simply unplug this headlight, plug the splitter in, and then you plug it back in. Literally takes 20 minutes to install. On the Model Y, if you want those, you don't even have to take the wheels off. On the Model 3, you have to take the wheels off. That way you can get everything easily. But now I'm gonna show you guys. All right, so I'm gonna turn the blinker on. Check out, works. And now that is my new blinker. Awesome. Also, when you start the car on, it does this display. It also has like light blue for high beams. Way easier than spending $1,000 at the Tesla dealership. This right here is a super easy fix. Now I can pass the inspection and I can finally start driving the vehicle. Turn that off. So that is the issue I was having. The way around it was to put those in. All right, everybody. So if you have a Tesla and your blinkers don't work, and you have a solution, drop it in the comment section below. Or if you did the same thing that I did and simply just go around it. As you can see, I love these. Makes the car look way better. All right, subscribe, like, see you in the next video. Peace out.